Welcome to the Alignment.io Playbook. We're here to help you learn how to empower your team to make the best strategic decisions to achieve your vision. It's a methodology that we find to be simple, but incredibly robust in helping to bring people together. It starts with the mission and a very bold vision, gets you out of bed, goes beyond the next few years, but really clear picture of where you're going and why it matters. It's also about them bringing your team together to understand, so where are you today against that big, bold vision and purpose? What's going well? What's not going well? What are the strengths? What are the weaknesses? And then it's about coming together and prioritizing a key plan, a plan that fits to a single page, no scroll, a plan that can be darn near memorized. It's that clear, accountable, and drives deep ownership, which is about bringing people together and trusting that your team will get this done. It's magical. It is absolutely magical when this comes together. I've seen it for myself leading teams as CEO. When you can bring the power of a team together and have them so focused on a series of things that you know will move the needle, and everyone's fully aligned, it just happens. And it happens with a lot of hard work. And that's what we're going to walk you through how to do today.